Hey everyone, welcome to another episode of Festool Fest. I'm your host Jay, and we're celebrating everything Festool in the whole Festooliverse. How's it going? Hope you're doing well. It's the beginning of a new year, January 2025. Price increases have come. Festool has raised their prices. Everything that was expensive has become more expensive. And so today's episode is about how to find deals for as little as you possibly can. My understanding is that Festool will occasionally change something about the tools that they offer. Sometimes it's a big revolutionary change to their product. Sometimes it's just little incremental changes. Whenever that happens, Festool decides to release a whole nother product number, which means that everything that was the old product number now is old stock, and Festool allows their dealers to discount and move them out of their inventory. The dealers are not required to discount the old discontinued models. They can just opt to do that on them, and a lot of times they will. This is the latest project that I'm working on at the moment. So while I do have the ETS EC153, if I wanted to get into these crevices, into the corners, it's a little bit harder to get in there with the 6-inch sander. So I thought to myself, it would be really great if I could get the DTS400, the delta shaped sander, so that I could really dig into the corners and get up close and really work it well. But with the new price increases for 2025, the DTS400 is now $315. Not terribly a lot of money, but also a bit of an increase from last year. Enter the discontinued models. I noticed the listing from one of our local dealers, and they had a DTS400 available on discount because it was one of those discontinued models. So I called them up. I said, hey, do you still have those? They're like, yeah, come on up. So this here is the DTS400 REQ-Plus. It's basically the current model of DTS, but there is one little bit of difference. The sanding pad has changed. They changed the number of holes that are in the delta pad. They added 2 more to increase the airflow and suction rate of the tool. But other than that, everything else is the same. So let's get in to see what's included with this set. So we open up here, of course it's in a Sustainer 3, and it's got the usual like nice placard here. Warranty card, so make sure that you sign up for your warranty. I've already done it. And then of course an instruction manual. Plug-it cord, 1 delta pad in P120 granite. Festool, why not include 10? Does it really cost you a lot more money to include 10 of them? Or maybe like 1 of each? Then you kind of get the newly initiated kind of addicted to the granite. It comes with a little guard here to prevent you from like scuffing up against the surfaces. It comes with the bags. You can use this sander on its own. Now this is a brushed sander that has its own little motor that blows into the bag, so you don't have to connect it to a dust extractor, which is really nice. And then finally, we actually have the DTS400 REQ itself. This is the Delta sander. I don't know exactly where they are on the newer one, but there are 2 more holes here on this pad that give additional suction capacity. That's the only difference. And if you really wanted to jump to like the new one, you could go out to your dealer and buy a new pad, and you'd have the current model lickety split. Someday this pad's gonna wear out and I'll replace it and it'll be perfect. And of course, if you're familiar with this sander, it has the kind of ergonomic controls here. It's a brush sander, so it's a little bit taller in the motor. You've got your on-off switch here, speed control, plug-it cable, and then of course a port here for the extractor. So it's really simple. You turn it on and you use it and you sand, change your papers. Very easy to use. I mean, there's not much else to say about it. I mean, it is Festool, and you know what their sanders are all about. So it's a great way to get a good discount on a new tool. And the best bit is that you get the full 3-year warranty when you register the tool. 3 years, everything is covered. If you break it, if it blows up or something goes wrong with it, you just send it back to them and they take care of you. I think that's the greatest part of the Festool system. You can just use it, break it, and then they fix it. I mean, how many companies will really do that? So keep your eyes open when you visit your dealers and see if they might have any kind of old stock around that's been discontinued, and you might be able to get a great deal. So that's all I have for you this time. So hope you have a great one out there, and see you next time.